Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone read receipts turn off but still showing. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off send read receipts. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap message. On the message page, scroll down, turn off send read receipts. Solution number 2. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.